It's a three-dimensional object. It's a complex shape. That complex shape has to go from an art form to the production process, and then constructing the jig that you see in the background.
Designed by Andew MacNair for the Hi Family Church of Seoul, South Korea, the incredible and beautiful Capella Ovi, or Egg Chapel, is now being built in Bristol, Rhode Island.
It is exciting, and it is the right decision.
It is, yeah.
By the way.
Yeah.
And that's where we need you to make those decisions.
To precisely create and capture the shape and curves of this extraordinary chapel, designer MacNair and the church selected renowned and accomplished New England wooden boat builder and shipwright Dan Shea and his Bristol Boat Company.
Lay it out and overlay the materials in a smooth manner. We see on here a lineup of nails which define the offsets in the shape, and we're going to bend this batten around and then give it a very precise form and shape. What we're doing at this stage of making the segments is setting all the framing in place, the frames and the stringers. And when they're set in place, they have to be registered precisely so that we get the right shape. What you see here is a fairing batten we use to stretch across all of the framing so that we know that everything is exactly at the right height. And you can see how very closely the batten is hitting all the structural parts. That ensures that we have a very perfect shape going into the skinning of the framing. Once the segment comes off the jig, we prepare the inside of the part with insulation, and we also plank it with a very fine grade of Spanish cedar.
When the last of the 12 finished segments comes off Dan Shea's jig, they will be shipped off to Seoul, South Korea, where the beautiful finished Capella Ovi will ultimately reside.